andito na sila. Don't forget your hard hat. Talk to you in a bit. Siguro naman nakikita nyo kung anong problema. This is such a funny detail, but they're putting a fix on it. Structurally, fine naman daw yan. So, okay lang. At ang kinakainisan ko, yung nasa taas na yan, bakit may sliver na ganyan? Nakakainis. Also, I want to talk about the truck I am driving. Meron siyang secret compartment para sa PPE, and I am so happy. Naka-hide siya. You won't see it. It's underneath. Pag PM ka, kailangan mahabang pasensya mo. Minsan, alam mo ba, parang feeling mo, you're responsible for everything and that everything has to look nice and perfect. In reality, hindi naman yan talaga. Just remember to be kind all the time. Parang minsan naiisip ko, parang I am getting detached to my old self, na parang I'm being mean, ganon. And then today, I've decided to be the old me.